Good morning student. Today we are going to discuss about chapter number 3 subtraction. Yes, in last class we seen practice time 1 and today we go through the first one point, that is practice time 2. Yes, just see here, first one, subtract a, thousand, hundred, tens, ones, 3874 minus 2. Yes, 4 minus 2. 4 minus 2 is how much? 2. Write 7 as it is and write 8. Next 3 you have to write here as it is. So answer is 3872. Next B1, 8326 minus 26. 7 minus 6 is 1. 2 minus 2 is 0. 3 as it is and write 8 as it is, that is 8301. Next C1, 9628 minus 3017. 8 minus 7 is how much? 1. 2 minus 1 is 1. 6 minus 3 is 3 and write here 9, that is 9311. Okay, next 5 minus 5 is 0, 6, 7 and 5. You have to write these three numbers as it is. So answer is 5760. Yes. D1 problem, here in your textbook 8 is there. So you have to write here 8 minus 5 is 3. Answer is 5763. Next E1, 6375 minus 43. Here 5 minus 3 is 2. 7 minus 4 is 3. Write 3 as it is and write 6 as it is. That is 6332. Next F, 7965 minus 842. 5 minus 2 is 3. 6 minus 4 is 2. 9 minus 8 is 1 and write here 7. That is 7123. Next G1. G1 problem, F, G, 1000, 100, tens, ones, that is G1 problem, 8590 minus 6370. Yes, 0 minus 0, 0. 9 minus 7 is 2. 5 minus 3 is 2. 8 minus 6 is 2. So answer is 2220. Yes. Next H1 problem. H1, 5979 minus 2741. Yes, solve here. 9 minus 1 is 8, 7 minus 4 is 3, 9 minus 7 is 2 and 5 minus 2 is 3. So answer is 3238. Next I problem you have to do homework. I problem you have to do homework. Yes. Next I will go to the second one question. Second one question is second one question, solve the following. Second one question, solve the following. Yes, first one A 1000 100, tens, ones. 7356 minus 9. See here, first one, 7356 minus 9. Here 6 minus 9 is there. The 6 is less than 9 means you have to take one tens group. That is 10 plus 6 is 16. Now 16 minus 9. 16 minus 9 is how much? 7. So instead of 5 here 4 remains. So write that 4 as it is, and 3 write as it is, 7 also write as it is. That is 7347. Next, B1 1000, 100, tens, ones. 8465 minus 8. 5 minus 8. Here also 5 is less than 8 means you have to take one tens group. That 10 plus 5 is 15. 15 minus 8 is how much? 15 minus 8 is 7. And instead of 6 here 5 remains. So write 5 as it is, 4, and write here 8. That is 8457. Next, C1 problem. $2,653 minus 72. Yes. 3 minus 2 is how much? 1. 5 minus 7 is 8. So 5 is less than 7 means you have to take tens group. That 10 plus 5 is 15. 15 minus 7. 15 minus 7 is how much? 8. And write this 6 as it is, 2 as it is. So answer is how much? Sorry, here you taken one tens group means instead of 6 here 5 remains. So write here 5. That is 2581. Next, D1 problem. D1 problem. 5742 minus 54. See here, 2 minus 4. 2 minus 4, 2 is less than 4 means you have to take one tens group. 10 plus 2 is 12. Yes, 12 minus 4 is how much? 8. Yes, and instead of 4 here 3 remains. Again you have to take one tens group. The 10 plus 3 is 13. 13 minus 5 is 8. And instead of 7 here 6 remains. So write that 6 as it is and 5 as it is. So answer is 5688. Next, E1 problem. E1 problem. 5791 minus 857. 1 minus 7. This one is less than 7 means again you have to take one tens group. That 10 plus 1 is 11. Write here 11. 11 minus 7 is how much? 4. Write here 4. And instead of 9 here 8 remains. 8 minus 5 is 3. 7 minus 8. Here also 7 is less than 8 means you have to take one tens group. That 10 plus 7 is 17. So 17 minus 8 is 9. And instead of 5, 4 remains. Write that 4 as it is. So answer is 4934. Next, F problem. F1. 8426 minus 758. 6 minus 8. 6 is less than 8 means you have to take tens group. That 10 plus 6 is 16. 16 minus 8 is 8. And instead of 2 here 1 remains because already you taken one group. Now 1 minus 5. This 1 is also less than 5 means again you have to take one tens group. That 10 plus 1 is 11. Now 11 minus 5 is how much? 6. And instead of 4 here 3 remains. Yes. Now again you have to take one tens group because 3 is less than 7. So take one tens group. That 10 plus 3 is 13. Now 13 minus 7 is how much? 5. And instead of 8 here 7 remains. So write that 7 as it is. So answer is 7,000. Sorry, 13 minus 7 is 6. Okay. 13 minus 7 is 6. And write this 7 as it is. So answer is 7,668. Next, G1 problem. G1 problem. 7,241 minus 6,472. 1 minus 2. 1 is less than 2 means you have to take tens group. 10 plus 1 is 11. 11 minus 2 is 9. Yes. Next, instead of 4 here 3 remains. That 3 is less than 7 means again you have to take one tens group. That 10 plus 3 is 13. 13 minus 7 is 6. And instead of 2 here 1 remains. Now 1 minus 4. Yes. 1 minus 4, this 1 is less than 4. So again you have to take one tens group. That 10 plus 1 is 11. 11 minus 4 is how much? 11 minus 4 is 7. So instead of 7 here 6 remains. 6 minus 6 is 0. So answer is 769. Yes. So H1 problem and H and I, both the problems you have to do homework. Yes. H and I, do homework. In first one question I given one homework, I problem, and in second one question in that H and I given 2 homeworks. Means totally I given 3 homeworks. You have to do that homework and send to my personal number. Till today I will stop here only, and the next question, that third one question I will solve in the next class. Okay, bye, take care.